Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go directly to the Audi dealership and ask for the prices. We talked about, and I have a few videos fixing cars. We talked about saving money on parts and labor, but I'm gonna go directly to Audi dealership and ask for a couple parts just to see the prices. I told you guys about the front brake pads last time. That was really expensive, but I just told you, now we're gonna go and ask, and we're gonna hear directly from them. Either you have AM in BMW, AMG in Mercedes, RS in Audi, they're all probably expensive. So let's go and get surprised. Let me tell you a story about my first car. Actually, me and my friend, we bought it. It was a Honda Accord 1996. It was black with the tinted windows, and we were like, wow, this is such a nice car. So can't remember, it was like 140,000 miles on it. We bought it, we drove it for a few days, and it broke down. So we took it to the mechanic and fixed it, and then 2 days later it broke down again. So we fixed it again, and I was getting pissed. So a week after that, we were coming back from work, and the car breaks down again. So I went to a plaza, like a shopping center, and I just left the car on the parking lot, and we left. I was like, that's it, man. We left it, and I never saw that car again. I don't know what happened. Yeah, and we're here at the Audi dealership. So let's go inside and ask for the prices. It's a big dealership. Actually really nice in here. Oh, there is a part. We have a few questions for the prices. How much do you guys charge for the oil change in here?
I do not know. Service would be able to tell you that over there.
Okay. And what about the front brake pads? I have a Audi Rs5 2013 V8.
It depends upon which brakes you have. There's different brakes that came on the car.
I think it's just the regular steel brakes.
Yeah, but I would need.
I mean, just like around, you can check. You don't have to be exact. You want me to bring you the VIN number?
The VIN number I'd be able to give you an exact number better with the VIN number.
Okay.
But if I was to just guess off the top of my head, you're probably looking about $500 for the brake pads.
Because I think.
And then $500 each for each rotor. So
okay, so it's around $1,000.
We're looking around $1,500.
Oh, $1,500.
For the front brakes only.
Front brakes only.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah.
What about the spark plugs? What kind of spark plugs do they use? Do you know?
NGK.
NGK? Yes. How much are they?
They're about $25 each.
$25 each? All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right. What we got here? R8. R8 with the ceramics. So nice. Carbon fiber everywhere. Damn, what is this, like a spider? I have no idea. Wow, this car is so nice. Maybe one day. I'm debating what would I get, a Lamborghini Huracan or R8. This is like a really nice car. Wow.
All our insecurities are on this display. Is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past.
Alright guys, so what did I tell you about the parts? I was even being nice. I said last time when I was changing brake, it was hey, look at that Lamborghini. Last time I was changing brakes, I said 915. Did you see what the guy says? 1,500 bucks only for front, like 2 wheels, only brake pads. Can you imagine if you have to bring the car here and just leave it so they can fix it for you? $3,000. And you know, if you watch my channel, you buy a brake pad for $150, you watch it, you change it yourself, boom, you save a lot of money. Maybe the rest you can send it to me, huh? Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, do whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video is gonna be exciting, so I'll see you guys.